Welcome to our deep dive on how to earn money by watching videos. If you've been looking for a low-effort side hustle that fits into your spare time, this is for you. Over the next 20 minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the best platforms to realistic expectations, so you can start making cash just by pressing play. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future money-making tips. Earning money by watching videos sounds almost too good to be true, right? The truth is, these platforms really do pay you, but usually in smaller amounts. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Think of it as a fun way to earn extra cash while you're relaxing or multitasking. Most sites work by sharing advertising revenue with viewers. You watch an ad or a sponsored clip, and they reward you with points or small payments. If you're excited to learn more, be sure to subscribe right now. We post new side hustle ideas every week. Let's start with one of the most popular platforms, Swagbucks. You can earn SB points by watching short videos, ranging from news clips to entertainment snippets. Once you rack up enough SB points, you can redeem them for gift cards or cash via PayPal. The key here is consistency. Watch daily, complete the video playlists, and also explore their other earning options like surveys and online shopping for bonus points. Got questions about Swagbucks? Leave a comment below and subscribe to stay updated on any changes or new tips. Next up is InboxDollars, another well-known site that pays you for watching videos, reading emails, and taking surveys. InboxDollars has a cash-out threshold, often around $30, so you'll need to be patient until you accumulate enough earnings. But if you dedicate some time each day, you can reach that goal. They also have a referral program, so if you invite friends, you can earn a percentage of what they make. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss our newest side hustle breakdowns. Beyond Swagbucks and InboxDollars, you'll find many smaller sites like PrizeRebel, Earnably, and Fusion Cash. Each has its own unique interface and reward system. Some pay in gift cards, others in PayPal cash, and some even offer crypto payouts. Always check reviews or online forums to confirm they're legitimate. A quick tip: sign up for multiple platforms to see which ones offer the best rates and the most engaging video content. Want to discover more hidden gem platforms? Make sure you subscribe now. We have new finds coming up in future videos. Most platforms have a minimum payout threshold. For instance, $5 or $10 for a gift card, or $30 for a PayPal transfer. Before committing to a site, check how quickly you can realistically reach that threshold. Also look at payment methods. Do they offer PayPal, direct deposit, gift cards, or crypto? This can influence your choice depending on how you prefer to receive money. Remember, if you're finding this video useful, hit subscribe right now. We're halfway through and still have more tips to boost your earnings. While these platforms can be fun, they also can be time-consuming. Time management is key. You might let these videos play while you're doing chores, cooking, or even studying. Just be sure to check in when each video ends so you can start the next one. You can also combine video watching with other tasks, like taking surveys in between videos, to maximize earnings in the same amount of time. Still with me? If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect moment. Subscribe and hit that bell for more time-saving tips. To make this easier, here's a quick comparison. Swagbucks. Great for variety, lots of ways to earn beyond just videos. InboxDollars. Straightforward interface, but slightly higher payout threshold. PrizeRebel. Frequent promotions and bonus points, but smaller video library. Earnably. Simple design, fast payouts, but limited to certain countries. Fusion Cash, reliable, but check their payout minimum and fees. Choose the one that best fits your schedule, your location, and your preferred payout method. If you appreciate this breakdown, give us a like and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons on different side hustles. Let's talk real results. Some users report making an extra $50 to $100 a month just by watching videos in their spare time. While that won't replace a full-time job, it can help cover a bill or fund a small treat. I've personally used Swagbucks to earn gift cards for birthday presents and groceries. The key is consistency and stacking multiple platforms for the best results. Interested in hearing more real-life success stories? Subscribe now to catch future videos where we interview people making the most of these platforms. So, is watching videos online a life-changing income? Probably not. But it's a fun and simple way to put extra cash in your pocket, whether that's for coffee money, a small bill, or holiday gifts. Remember to stay organized, diversify your platforms, and manage your time wisely. That's the recipe for turning passive viewing into real rewards. Before you go, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which platform you'll be trying first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.